Good afternoon, folks. I'm preparing this here. We're going to do an unboxing of items I ordered from one of my favorite online retailers. Today, we've been waiting patiently for these items, and now that they're here, let's do an unboxing, okay? Are you with me? Alright. Obviously, there's packing material. Have everybody seen one of these before? Let's get them out. I'm not surprised. So what we have here is the SOL 5-in-1 multi-purpose survival tool. This must be a must-have item for your bug out bag. It comes in a pouch that has your hatchet, which looks like it's going to be in desperate need of a sharpening, a mini shovel, a tree saw, a spike. Now if you look at this pouch, it's single stitch, ripstop nylon. There's your belt loop for your belt. I give it about a 2 as far as that goes. This is a perfect shovel for making a latrine or digging at roots. It has a removable butterfly screw to remove the shovel head. Easy removal. So you have all these different pieces. There's a compass on the end for your navigation of your area where you're at, which is kind of handy. It's got a really good grip. This rotating cinch, I'll call it a cinch. Well, there you go. That's one of the items. And the one I dropped is a survival knife. We use this one to cut it open. This has a sheath for your use. Very nice clip-on belt. Very sharp blade. As you can see, very sharp. I like this because I could carry it on my hip and be able to use it for all those other items. This could be used for whatever purpose you'd have for cutting flesh off of animals. A bigger box came in. push the Leatherman to open it up. Your shipping container. These. This is the 2-person dome tent by Intense. It's handcrafted in China. Wilderness survival gear, Intense. It has a drawstring release. It is just going to take it out of the container. I got 2 of them. I want to do a testing of these. They have a nice, they call it a bathtub floor. Here, original manufacturers. Tied off. It has the pouch for your stakes. Very lightweight. The ends tied off to allow the items not to be those are your standard style tent poles. Notice how it has the coated ends. You get 2 of them, one for each side. And then the pouch for the stakes. There's your stakes. Once again, hand crafted. These are these extremely flimsy. You get 2, 4, 6 of them. Tent stakes. And then the actual tent material. Your tent cover or rain stop. And then, as you can tell, very thin material, single stitched. I'm sure this is not made for any extreme weather, meant for day trips. You have a D-ring or O-ring. That's pretty much as far as I can go there, folks. Let me know what you think. Admiral Preparedness.